Hi guys, thanks for joining me today as we listen for sounds and words and we decide where we hear the sound. Do we hear it at the beginning, in the middle, or at the end? So we know that this is the beginning because there's a number 1. It's the front of the train. We have the middle of the train and we have the caboose, the end of the train. Okay, so we're going to be listening for the L sound. My word is leash. I'm going to say the sounds in leash. You can say them with me if you'd like. So let's say the sounds in leash. L, E, sh. Remember, we're looking for the L sound. Here we go. L, E, sh. One more time. L, E, sh. Do you know where the L sound is in leash? I hope you said it's at the beginning. Leash. Okay, now we have the word blue. Blue. We're going to be figuring out where the L sound is in blue. Here we go. Ba, L, oo. Again. Ba, L, oo. Remember, it's the L sound. Ba, L, oo. Can you tell me where the L sound is? I hope you said it's in the middle of the word. Ba, L, oo, blue. That time it was in the middle. And we have another word with L in it. This time it's lips. Lips. So here we go. Lip. Again. Lip. One more time. Lip. Where was the L sound in lip? Did you hear it at the beginning? Lip. The word lip starts with the L. So we're done with L words. Now we're going to be listening for words that have t, 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 the T in them. T. So let me just change this. Woo, that was pretty easy. So t, t sound. Our first word is tooth. So here we go. T, oo, f. Remember, we're listening for oo, f. One more time. T, oo, f. Where's the t sound? Did you hear it? In the beginning of the word. Tooth. Tooth starts with t, t, t. Okay. Our next word is dot. Dot. So here we go. D, a, t. Again. D, a, t. One more time. D, a, t. Now where's that t sound? Did you say that the word dot ends with t? Dot. Right there it is. Dot. And now we have a vet, an animal doctor, a vet. So here we go. V, e, t. Again. V, e, t. Once more. V, e, t. Where is the t sound? Did you hear it at the end of the word? Vet. It's right there. Okay. You're doing really well. Okay, our next sound, here's a boy hopping. Our next sound is going to be the ah sound. Ah, it's a little crooked. That's okay. Like when you go to the doctors and they say, open up and say, ah. That's the sound we're going to be listening for. Okay, it's bothering me a little. Let me try and fix it. Oh, well, it doesn't have to be perfect. Ah. So we're going to do the word hop. Here we go. Op. Again. Op. Okay, one more time. Op. Where's the ah sound? Did you hear it in the middle of the word? Op. Right in the middle of the word this time. Okay. Oh, this looks kind of like a seal. This is an otter. So let's listen for the ah sound. Here we go. Odd-er. Again, odd-er. One more time. Odd-er. Where do you hear the ah sound? I hope you heard it at the beginning of the word. Otter. Right there at the beginning. Otter. And our last word for the day is top. Little spinning top. So here we go. T-op. Again. T-op. One more time. Listen for that ah sound. T-op. So where did you hear it? Did you hear it in the middle? Top. It was right in the middle of the word top. Okay, see you next time.